Before you know about how to earn from Instagram Reels, you should know about what is basically Instagram Reels are. So here is some detail about Instagram Reel. Further, I will discuss about how you can earn money from this. What is Instagram Reels? Instagram Reels is a feature on the popular social media platform Instagram that allows users to create and share short, 15-second videos. Similar to TikTok, Reels lets users add music, special effects, and filters to their videos to make them more engaging and entertaining. Instagram Reels was launched in August 2020 as a response to the growing popularity of short-form video content. It is available in over 50 countries, including the United States, India, and Brazil, and has quickly become a popular feature on the app. Users can access Reels by tapping the Reels button at the bottom of the Instagram camera screen. From there, they can record and edit their own Reels or browse and engage with Reels from other users in their feed or the Explore page. Reels has become a powerful tool for content creators, influencers, and brands to reach new audiences and grow their following on Instagram. It offers a fun and creative way to share content and connect with others on the platform. Now we see how to make money from Instagram Reels. Sure, here's a detailed video on how to make money from Instagram Reels. First, you need to build a strong and engaged following on Instagram. Start by creating a clear and consistent brand aesthetic, posting high-quality content that resonates with your target audience, and engaging with your followers through comments, likes, and direct messages. Once you have a solid following, start creating high-quality, engaging Reels that showcase your unique talents and personality. Use trending hashtags and music to increase your reach and engagement. Consider partnering with brands that align with your values and niche. You can reach out to brands directly or sign up for influencer marketing platforms like Aspire IQ, Upfluence, or Tribe. Brands may offer you free products, paid partnerships, or commission-based deals for promoting their products or services in your Reels. You can also monetize your Reels by joining Instagram's monetization program, called the Creator Fund. To be eligible, you need to have at least 100,000 followers, be 18 years or older, and meet certain content guidelines. Once you're accepted, you can earn money based on the views and engagement your Reels generate. Another way to make money from Instagram Reels is by offering your services as a content creator or social media marketer. If you have a proven track record of creating successful Reels or growing Instagram accounts, you can pitch your services to businesses or individuals looking to expand their social media presence. Finally, don't forget to leverage other social media platforms to promote your Instagram Reels and expand your reach. Cross-promote your Reels on TikTok, YouTube, and other platforms to attract new followers and potential monetization opportunities. Remember, making money from Instagram Reels requires patience, persistence, and hard work. But with a solid strategy and a strong following, you can turn your passion for creating engaging content into a lucrative career. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.